I see you're just as excited as I am to jump in and start mastering the Singer SE sewing and embroidery machine model 9180. Now, if you've reached this video, please wait. There are more videos we are filming right now. So just bookmark the playlist that is in the description below this video so you'll be able to find all the videos once they're done. But start watching them, get excited. We're going through the sewing videos, we're going through the embroidery videos, we're explaining what the MySewNet is, which is a free software area of the websites that allow you to send designs wirelessly to this machine. And there's a lot going on, but we're going to be covering everything you need to know. So we have some online courses for you to also explore. We have our Machine Embroidery 101 class. That would be one that I really recommend because it's everything you need to know before you start embroidering. We also have some secrets along the way, meaning some of the presser feet from Husqvarna Viking machines will fit this Singer machine. And I know that sounds odd, but that does mean that you can go to your Husqvarna Viking store and they will help you with some accessory feet. Now, one of the courses we do have is our Stitching Cosmos online course. So if you've bought this machine to use it both for embroidery and for sewing, the Stitching Cosmos course is all about the sewing features of this beautiful machine. So if you're ready to master all the things that you can do over there, pick up the Viking feet, those are the things that we're going to do. And in our courses, you are always going to find some free videos that you can preview for free to see if that course is right for you. Embroidery Essentials is going to be another one, plus our Quick Font class. Now that was one that I was very surprised that this machine will let us tap into. It's a free font program that is part of the MySewNet website, and we'll take you through all the steps to download that free program and be able to make fonts that are any size that fits in your hoop and any font that is already in your computer. And yes, you can use it with both a Mac or a PC. So we're very excited. There will be individual videos along the way in this playlist. So when you're ready, just check them out. They'll be in the order you want to watch them in. Sewing videos first, embroidery videos second. So jump around as you need. And I can't wait to help you master this entire machine. Or if you haven't bought this machine yet and you're kind of curious what it has, this is a great place to start. You can go through all the tutorials for free and then see if this is the right machine for you. So I'm very excited. Thank you for joining us. Make sure that as you watch the videos that you're clicking like every time you watch one. That helps our channel and is your way of saying thank you to me for providing you all of this free information. Let's get started.